Have you ever sat down to craft and then just didn't know where to start? You have the supplies, you want to create, but it just feels like too much to figure out. Hi, I'm Wendy Lee, and that is exactly why I created the Cultivated Creativity program. It's not about giving you more supplies, it's about helping you actually use what you already have and feel confident creating again. Inside Cultivated Creativity this month, we're working on something really fun and approachable. We're using the Cutest Crew bundle to help create playful, light-hearted cards that are going to help you build confidence with simple coloring, create clean, polished designs without overthinking, and actually finish your projects. These designs, these are designed to be simple to follow, easy to customize, and something you can sit down and enjoy creating. You'll even get a fun, not a card project that is perfect for gifting or adding a little something special. And the one thing I want you to know, you do not need the exact stamps and dies to create these. You can absolutely use what you already have in your stash and still get beautiful results. This program is really about giving you that moment where you sit down, everything is ready, and you actually get to enjoy the creating fun again. If that sounds like something you've been missing, I'd love to have you join us. Registration for this month's kit is open now, and I do have a few limited spots available. You can find all the details in the description below. This program is available for my US customers, but if you're outside the US, I do offer tutorials separately in my tutorial store. I'd love to create with you this month. Bye for now.